Are you looking to streamline your construction projects while minimizing costs? Introducing our prefabricated industrial buildings, the smart solution for modern construction challenges. With our innovative approach, each component is manufactured in a controlled environment, ensuring precision and quality. This method not only speeds up the assembly process but also reduces waste and cuts costs significantly. When choose prefabricated industrial building, completing your projects faster without sacrificing quality. Whether you're plan to construction, our prefabricated buildings are designed to meet your unique needs, combining durability and versatility. Plus, our expert team is here to support you every step of the way, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Take the first step towards transforming your construction experience. Contact us today to learn how our prefabricated industrial buildings can elevate your project and save you time and money. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.